This instruction or video is for the quality control department, and they would set up a user so they can get onto the website for the storage facility. The first thing that an administrator would need to know is if the department already has a customer number assigned to it. So you need to go to, and then number 16, move over to the lookup on the customer field. You place a C there, and you can just start the name with an A, and that'll show everything. Our company is 17 for the storage facility. To the left are the customer numbers that are assigned to each department. Notice AP is number 2, quality control is number 35. Once you've established that they have a customer, if they do not have a customer, you can set a customer up by pressing F10 and filling in the appropriate fields. F7, we're going to use quality control, and we're going to set up a customer. How to set up a customer or how to set up a user for the website is through authorized programs number 9, and it's called I#net. You can also find the report type on the listing, and you place an R here to run it, or you can just place it in the run report and it'll display it. And it displays and looks like this. Company 17 again is our storage company. If you wanted to update a user, you can update the user by placing a U there, and you can reset their password or give them access to change customers if they're working from multiple departments. Just know that if the user has not used their logon for 30 days, it'll automatically delete itself and you have to reestablish it. To create a user, you press F10. Again, company 17. I'm going to use 35, and the shift to is always 1. Let's do Joanne Smith. And your primary fields are just the first name, last name, email, password. Email. If the user already has a username, you'll be prompted. I'm going to give her 123 as our password, and you press Control to store it. F7 to bring yourself out and look at the display, and it shows you all the different users. And Joellen's here. And that's the first step. The second step, a lot of people are going to ask you two things. They're going to ask you, what's my storage website name, and how do I get the labels so I can assign a box to a number? The second feature we're going to learn is how to produce a label. Through authorized programs, again, it's LBSG for storage. Then you're going to press company 17 rather, and you're going to put in the number of labels you need. Notice it's a 3-digit, so say I need 3 labels for 3 boxes. Each box gets a label. 3003, press enter. This is the Sato printer. Your Sato printer must have a 4x6 label on it. So I know that Y9 has 4x6s. And this is a manifest. This is where you're going to write and you're going to say, well, what's in the box? And you're going to give it details. And I'm going to print that to D5, which is an info printer, a paper printer. Then they come out, and what happens is you give them to the person, and then they go onto the website. How do you tell them, or how do you guide them where the website is? We keep that in the FAQ in 21, and we can type the word storage in the search. Notice at the bottom here, it's storage general. I'm just going to use my page down, and this gives you the different options. It tells you how to create a label for my boxes. A user, as long as they have access, they can create the labels for their boxes in their own manifest. And this one here gives you the website. Place an A on the line, press enter, And this is a hyperlink. You can actually click on it and it'll bring you to the storage and you can sign in.